Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 238 of Surah Al-Baqarah and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم حافظوا على الصلوات والصلاة الوسطى. Ha, ha with hams make two counts long from middle part of your throat. Fi, give hams in fa. For kasra, give e sound. The sound is short. Vu, for dhamma, circle lips, and dha is heavy letter. Make it two counts long with itbaq. Vu, a, ain from middle part of your throat. For fatha upon jaws. Las, lam is light, but sod is heavy. Sod will be heavy. It will get safa raqawa, and it has a safir. La sa sa for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Wa makhraj of waw is circling your lips, make it two counts long. Ti for kasra, give e sound, the sound is short. Was waw is light, for fatha upon jaws attaches sod. Sod will get sifa of rakhawa. It has safir and it is heavy. Was and for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La is two counts long. Il for kasra, give e sound, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Wus for dhamma, circle your lips and for waw, circle your lips, and for waw, circle your lips, attach it sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa. It has safir and it is light. Wus to to is the most heaviest letter, and it has itbaq, and you are lifting your tongue up and pasting it on the palate, and that is making the most heaviest letter. So make it two counts long. To wa makhraj of waw, circling your lips for fatha upon jaws. O for the circle lips and make it heavy. Mu for the circle lips, make it two counts long. Lilla, lafz jalala is light because there is kasra before it. Lilla, lafz jalala is always long. He for kasra, give e sound. Qaf is heavy, make it two counts long. Ni for kasra, give e sound. Teen. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarat al-sukoon. حافظوا على الصلوات والصلاة الوسطى والصلاة الوسطى وقوموا لله قانتين. F, give hams and fa for put up on jaws. In, hamza is sharp, for kasra, give e sound, and then there is idhar. Ruling is idhar and sifa is tawassut. Khif, kha is heavy, for kasra, give e sound, attach it fa will get sifa of rakhawa. Khiftum for the circle ellipse, attach with mim, we will get sifa of the wasut. Fa, give him hams and rakhawa on fa for fatha upon jaws. Eri for kasra, give e sound. Ra is light because there is kasra on it. Ja, two counts long. Lan, sifa is tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Aw, hamza is sharp, fatha upon jaws, and it is attached with waw. This waw is lean, so when you are attaching fatha with waw, you are making it soft. Aw, ruk, ra is heavy, for the circle lips attached with kaf. Kaf will get sifa of hams. Ruk, ba, two counts long. Na, two counts long. Fa, give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws. E for hamza, give sharp sound. For kasra, give e sound. The sound is short. The mad munfasil jaiz, make it four counts long. Hamza is sharp, for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Min. This ikhfa is light. For kasra, give E sound on mim first, and then this is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. You're keeping your tongue straight. You're going towards the makhraj of ta, and you're keeping the gunna sound into your nose. Min. Tum. For the circle lips attached. Mim, you will get zip off. Tawassut. Fad. Give hams in fa. For fatha open jaws attached. Dal. Dal will get zip off. Rakhawa. And rakhawa is flow of sound. Fad. Ku. For the circle lips, the sound is short. Urullah. Ra is heavy. For the circle lips attached. Lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is the ma before it. Urullah. Ha. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ka. Kaf is light. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ma. Two counts long. Al. Ain from middle part of your throat. For fatha open jaws, attached. Lam. Lam will get zip off the wasut. La. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short with fatha. Ma. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Kum. For the ma circle lips attached with ikhfa shafawi. This ikhfa shafawi has definitely, it has gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Kum. Ma. Two counts long. Lam. For fatha open jaws attached. Mim will get zip off the wasut. Ta. Ta is sharp. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ku. For the ma circle lips, make it two counts long. Nu. For the ma circle lips, make it two counts long. Ta. Ta is sharp. For fatha open jaws attached. Ain. Ain will get zip off the wasut, and ain should be from your middle part of your throat. La. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Moon. For because of this fact, you're giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarat lisakun. فإن خفتم فرجالا أو ركبانا فإذا أمنتم فاذكروا الله كما علمكم ما لم تكونوا تعلمون. والمخرج of واو. Circle in your lips. For fatha open jaws attached. Lam. Lam will get zip off the wasut. La. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short with fatha. The. Give the zabaan dal. Make it two counts long. Na. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. U. Ya is light. For the ma circle lips, the sound is short. Ta. Very sharp sound. And for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Waf. Makhraj of waw. Circle in your lips. Attached fa. Fa will get zipa off. Rakhawa. And as you will touch fa, you will engage the right makhraj of fa, and that is when you're attaching the edge of your upper two teeth on the lower lip. Wafau. And then this vowel is lean. So when you're attaching fatha with vowel, you're making it soft. Fauna. For fatha open just the sound is short. Ming. For kasra give e sound, and then there is a fa. Ming. For the ma circle lips attached with me, we will get zip off the wasut. Wa. Makhraj of waw. Circle in your lips. For fatha open just the sound is short. Here. Ya is light. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. The. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ru. Ra is heavy because there is the ma on it, and make it two counts long. Na. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Az. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws attached. Za. Za will get zip off rakhawa. And it has safir. And this safir has buzzing sound. It has Z sound. As. This should not be mixture of S and Z. It is Z. As. Wa. Makhraj of waw. Circle in your lips. Make it two counts long. Jaw. For fatha open your jaws and attach it. Wow. This is idgham, and this idgham is with gunna. So you keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Jaw. Wa. Makhraj of waw. Circle in your lips. For fatha open jaws. Si. Sad is heavy. for kasra give E sound, attach it ya. Ya will get sifa for khawa, and ya is with number. Si, ya, for fatha punjas, the sound is short with fatha. Telli, this idgham is without gunna, so you're not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Li, for kasra give E sound, the sound is short. Az, for fatha punjas attached with zaza will get sifa for khawa. It will get safir definitely, and that safir is buzzing sound. As wa makhraj of pause. Circle in your left, make it two counts long. G focus give E sound. Him focus give E sound, and then there is idgham shafawi. You're keeping the sound into your nose for a longer time. Him ma fatha just the sound is short. Ta two counts long. An صفة استوسط حكمه إظهار E for kasra give E sound. Lel for fatha punjaws attached lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasut. How have from middle part of your throat with hums, and when you are attaching with wow, this wow is lean, so you are making it very soft. How li for kasra give E sound. Goi, goin is heavy for fatha punjaws, and then attach with lean letter. When attached with lean letter, you are making it soft. Ra, ra is heavy. Fatha upon you just, the sound is short. Ich, for kasra give E sound, and sharp sound should be there, and then attach it kha, kha will get sifa for khawa, and it is heavy. Ikhraj, ra will be heavy because there is fatha on it, and because of this fuck, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four, and because jim is with sukun here, you will give qalqala now. Raj, fa, give hams in fa for fatha on jaws. In sorry, this is idhar. The sifa is tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Fa in hamza is sharp for kasra give E sound attached with ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, heavy. This ikhfa is heavy, so you are lifting your tongue up. Fa fa, give hams in fa. For fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. In hamza is sharp, for kasra give E sound, and then there is idhar. The sifa is tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Kha, is heavy, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Raji, ra is heavy, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is jim. Ra is heavy, for fatha upon jaws, attached with jim. Jim will get sifa of qalqala. Raji, na, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Fa, give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws. La, two counts long. Ju, for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Na, two counts long. Ha, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. A, ain from middle part of your throat for fatha upon jaws. Lai, this is lean. Ya, lean, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with ya. Kum, for the circle ellipse attached with me, we will get sifa of tawasut. Fi, give hams in fa, make it two counts long. Ma, two counts long. Fa, give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Al, ain from middle part of your throat for fatha upon jaws, attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawasut. Na, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Fi, give hams in fa, make it four counts long because this is mad munfasil jais. Hamza is sharp, for fatha upon jaws, attached with ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. You're going towards the makhraj of fa, and you're keeping the gunna sound into your nose. Fu, give the ma on fa, and the sound is short. Fu, si, for kasra give E sound, the sound is short. Hin, for kasra give E sound, attached with noon, noon gets sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Mim, for kasra give E sound attached with mim, mim will get sifa. And this is idgham. This idgham is with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mim, ma, ففتح upon jaws attach it ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasut and ain should be from middle part of your throat. Huruf. Ra is heavy for the ma circle ellipse, and because of this puff, you are giving temporary sukun on fa. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is mad aradless sukun. Wallahu. Makhraj of waw. Circle in your lips. Let's say Jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Wallah. And lips Jalala is always long. Who for the ma circle lips, the sound is short. Ain from your throat. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Z. Give two counts long. Zun. Idhar. Sifa is tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Ha. Ha from middle part of your throat, papatha open jaws, ki, because you are giving sukoon here because of the waqf, and this temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madadatli sukoon. والذين يتوفون منكم ويذرون أزواجا وصية لأزواجهم متاعا إلى الحول غير إخراج فإن خرجن فلا جناح عليكم فيما فعلن في أنفسهن فلا جناح عليكم فيما فعلن في أنفسهن من معروف ما فعلن في أنفسهن من معروف والله عزيز حكيم. ومخرج الطاء circling your lips for top and just lil for kasra give e sound attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Mu for the ma circle lips, the sound is short. Qal, ta is heavy for top and just attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La for top and just the sound is short. Qaf is heavy, and alif with qaf is heavy too. Make it two counts long. T for kasra give e sound. Ma for top and just the sound is short. Ta two counts long. This is iqlab. You're changing the sound of noon into meme, and you're keeping the sound into your nose for a longer time. Bil focus give e sound attached it lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Ma for fatha open jaws attach it ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasut, and ain should be from your middle part of your throat. Uruf. Ra is heavy for the ma circle ellipse and make it four counts long because of this sukoon you're giving. Because of this waqf, you're giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madadatli sukoon. Haqqan, have from middle part of your throat attach with qaf. Qaf will get sifa of shidda. The sound will cut off abruptly. Haqqan, and then there is idhar, and the ruling is idhar and sifa is tawassut. Ain from middle part of your throat, papatha open jaws, lal, papatha open jaws attached lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Mutta for the ma circle ellipse attached ta, ta will get sifa of shidda, and the sound will cut off abruptly. Ta for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Qeen. Because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two count long vowel into four. This is madarat li sukoon. وللمطلقات متاع بالمعروف حقا على المتقين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.